Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how to fix the Klarna verification code not received issue. First, check your mobile network signal and make sure you have a strong connection. If the signal is weak, move to a better location and request the code again. Then, make sure your phone number or email that you've entered in the Klarna app is correct. Also, head over to your email app and then click on the top left corner, which is the three lines. Then scroll down and check your spam or your trash folder as well if the code was sent by email. Restart your phone and try requesting the code again. Sometimes network delays can prevent the message from arriving immediately. If you still do not receive the code, wait a few minutes and try again or choose another verification option if available. That's how you fix the verification code not received in Klarna.